All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's discuss about the Venus, the beautiful Venus. Okay, Venus represents luxuries and relationships, and planet Venus also signifies love, honesty, and caring nature. So, the more stronger is Venus in your birth chart, the more caring, kind, and loving person you will be. And most importantly, love you for your ideology, for your work ethics, and people will love you for your knowledge and also for wealth that you have. Okay, people will be these people, the people with strong Venus, they will be having so much of money, they can able to buy gadgets, and they'll be around luxuries, they spend a lot of money. And most importantly, Venus goes very well in Libra, Capricorn, Aquarius, Virgo, and Gemini, and rest other zodiac signs Venus becomes negative. And people who have weak Venus in their birth chart, they will suffer from the relationship breaks. So they have a lot of love failures as well. If Venus goes debilitated, and if Venus especially gets debilitated in Virgo zodiac sign, okay, so if at all you have Virgo Venus in your birth chart, then there'll be a lot of love failures, relationship breakups, and also there'll be separation with your spouse if at all in the male birth chart, because Venus represents spouse in your birth chart for the male natives, and Jupiter represents husband in the female natives. So Venus placement is very very important, because Venus is the planet which brings you financial stability and celebrations in your life. Venus is the planet of joy and happiness. The people with strong Venus, especially in the first, fifth, seventh, ninth, 10th, and 11th houses, these people are very enjoyable, and they'll be very with full of josh and enthusiasm as well. And most importantly, Venus is the planet which brings you a lot of luxuries and meaningful relationships in your life. If at all you have weak Venus, you'll be meeting wrong minded people, wrong mindset people who doesn't what you say, they don't fit for your frequencies. You'll be meeting the people who are very mean minded, who are very quarrelsome, if at all you have a weak Venus in the birth chart. Okay, and the Venus goes well in the first house, second house, fourth house, fifth, ninth, 10th, and 11th houses. And sixth house, eighth house, 12th houses are malefic houses for planet Venus. Okay, and the lucky number associated with planet Venus is number 6. Okay, the people who have strong Venus, they are very friendly, generous, artistic, and musical, attractive, lovable, and adorable, determined, responsible, and righteous, obstinate, reserved, humane, and just loyal and dependable. They have very fixed principles, and they're very balanced and harmonious in nature. Okay, and people with strong Venus, especially in the first house, second house, fourth house, and fifth house, these people are extremely magnetic, loved, and being worshipped. They will be respected, and they are determined and unyielding in nature as well. And these people are very deeply attached to the relationships. They are very sensitive and care towards relationships, and they are very romantic and ideal in nature as well. They crack jokes, they have very good sense of humor as well, and they love beautiful things. They like to be always around the greenery and beautiful stuff and all that. They like artistic homes, and they're fond of rich colors, paintings, statuary, and music as well. And they're very generous to art and music. They love arts and music. Most of the people with strong Venus also emerge as a great musicians as well. Okay, they make friends and they love entertaining people, and at the same time they emerge as a great philosophers, educators, scientists, ministers, writers, producers of luxury and beauty goods, managers of restaurants or clubs or luxury apartments, irrigationalists, horticulturalists, zoologists, shipping magnates, and architecture industries as well. They excel well in the engineering field, jewelry, fashion designing, foreign currency, hotel production, music, literature, watch repair, social work, fine arts, perfumes, deodorants, florists, brokerage business, ester brokerage business, commission agencies, all entertainment industry comes under strong Venus. If at all you have strong Venus, please remember Venus should be free from the malefics, that is Rahu and Ketu. Especially Ketu becomes very strong negative planet for Venus. Okay, and Venus doesn't go well with Sun and Moon as well. Okay, and these people also get excelled in the commission agency industry as well, and also fast food industry, hotel, catering, agriculture, dairy business, fancy bangles, perfumes, toys, dry foods as well. Okay, and also these people also excel well in the beauty and decoration, cinema, acting, production, direction, photography, graphic designing, all these professions suitable for these people. And the direction associated with planet Venus is southwest direction. Okay, and the sign and the, of course, Venus holds the lordship for Taurus and Libra. And most importantly, people who have Venus in Libra, they're very romantic and they're very entertainable as well. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If at all you need consultations, please book from the link that is mentioned in the description section. I am happy to help you. I can able to help you in terms of what kind of careers and businesses also suitable for you pertaining to your birth chart, pertaining to your planetary alignment in your birth chart. You don't need to waste your money, you don't need to waste your time spending your money or investing on the wrong commodities that are not applicable for you. Okay, my consultation would provide you the kind of direction and guidance in a way which careers are suitable for you depending upon your planetary alignment. It's not just a Venus. We'll be checking about all other planets, all the 9 planets planetary alignment. Will be checking which planets are stronger, which planets are weaker, which planets are giving a neutral relationship, neutral relation pertaining to your birth chart with regards to the planets. All those things will be thoroughly discussed, and also I'll be able to help you in terms of what are the Raja yogas you're having, what are the good yogas, and what are the bad yogas you're having, and also most importantly, which are the planets which are malefic in nature, which are the planets which are benefic and good for you. All those things will be revealed. All right, whether you have the foreign opportunities, whether you can able to excel in the homeland or the foreign land, all those things will be given to you. And most importantly, the planet, if the planet Venus is weaker in your birth chart, you'll be having multiple relationships as well. The most of the people ends up with second marriage as well. Okay, if at all, especially Venus, the sixth and 12th house. Okay, so in fact we have to see the alignment of other planets as well before coming to the conclusion. So thank you so much, guys, and if at all you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe right away and click on that bell icon and click on that like symbol as well, so that, and also mention in the comment section what exactly you loved from this video. All right, so that way I know that you're following my videos, and also it will be practice for you in the way to learn the Vedic astrology as well. Okay, and have a nice day, have a blessed Venus day. Bye for now.